Hello friends, welcome to Joy of Life. So today we are going to do an unboxing video. On the occasion of 200 subscribers, I thought of doing some upgrade to my equipment. So here I saw an interesting deal yesterday on the Blue Yeti mic. So I thought of getting it and it was delivered this morning. It was for 10,999 and this came just a couple of hours back. This came in a nice Amazon package. So let's unbox and see how it is. So it's been a long time. I've been thinking of upgrading my headphone, getting rid of the headphone. Previously tried a Boya mic also, but it didn't work out that great. So I thought of getting something which is better, and it's being recommended by one of my very close friend. So thanks to him as well for recommending this. So this is what is inside the box. So there is a box inside it. So let's get it out and get rid of this brown box. So here it is, the mic. So I hope you can see it. This is the box with all the details. The price is shown as 12,995 or something like that, but got it for a deal in Amazon, which was for 10,999. So it's in a sealed box. So let's open it and let's check out the device. I've ordered a pop filter as well, but it didn't came yet. So we'll check that. But I'm not sure how much I require it and all. So need to check on that part as well. So let's open the box. So let's cut the seal open. This is nicely packed. There is nothing inside it. This box is also sealed over here. So let's open it and check. I just got rid of that extra light. I felt too much of light was coming. Okay, so here's the box. You have a cable over here, the main connecting cable looks like. So let's get everything out first, and on top you have the warranty and manual and all the details. So you have a nice manual over here containing the instruction in different languages. So this is pretty much a plug and play device. So let's open it. There is the warranty information also over here. Different languages and all that. So it was in a nice cover. It's pretty decent. It's it's a big upgrade for me. I feel pretty heavy upgrade. It weighs quite a bit. There is a cover inside it and nothing much. That's it. There is nothing else inside it. So let's put them back as is. I'll keep the box a couple of days just to check if everything is fine. Otherwise, need to return it if it is not. And then I'll discard the box. Oops. So here is the mic. Some silica gel as well. So let's get rid of all these things. This is what it is. I think this is upside down, kept in a, there is a protection given here as well, I feel. Yes, so let's get rid of this also. It was a pretty nice packing. Yeah, so this looks something like this. I'm sure this is height adjustable for sure. So you have a knob that you can tighten things up. There are some controls over here for gain and different pattern of sounds as well. So we are going to soon check and see how it goes, how the gain and everything works. Though I am also not very familiar. There is a volume knob and there is a mute knob as well over here. And there is a volume control over here. On the back sides, you have the mount over here if you want to put it upside down or use a boom stand or something like that. You have a headphone jack here as well that you can plug it in, and you have the connector over here. So this is pretty much on the back side of it. And the, the bottom also looks pretty nice. It has some cushioning over here, and this is the back side, and these are the volume control knobs along with the Blue Yeti logo. The other side has a gain knob and some patterns which I'm yet to explore. Even I am not sure what it is all about. So the mic feels pretty heavy. So let me just fix this up. So you can use these two over here for height adjustment. So let's put it a little down because I don't need it this high. So you can just open them. You can just twist it to open. Once you open it, is free. It will come down easily. And once you get it into your desired height, you can just put them back. So this is this mic standalone. It will come out as well. So I don't think you can adjust the height. It's pretty much fixed because the knob is over here. I was expecting few other screws over here. So this is one little drawback, I would say, that it will has to be on the same height. I cannot change the position of it, right? Even there is nothing on the side that I can use to change the height. So it will remain at the same height. That's okay. It's pretty close to my mouth also. It's not very far. But I was expecting, at least I can move it like this in order to reduce and all those things. But yeah, that's okay. So let's check out the sound and all those things. So let's open it and plug it in. So this is the connector cable over here, and this is pretty long, about 3 feet long. One end is a USB, the other is, I don't know what it is called. So this one goes in over here. And let's plug it in and see what happens. We'll test some audios as well. We'll get rid of this mic and we'll check how's the quality. We can have a comparison. So we are going to review the product and understand all its features. So let's start. To start with, we don't have any filters at this moment. So I am just recording using the OBS studio as you see over here. So the fan is on. I am sure you must be getting some noise because of that. So let's go to filters and check. So the moment I turn on the noise suppression, you won't be able to hear any background noise, right? It should be very clear and you should have a nice experience. Though we have a gain knob over here at the back, right? So this gain, what it does is it will increase the intake of the sound. So if I put it to full, you can see that the noise will keep on increasing and increasing, right? All the way to the top, right? So you might be getting my sound very loud at the moment. I have to go down literally very low in order to, you must be getting my sound very low, but I am talking very softly. So you can see here that I am not changing the pitch of my voice, but I'm just reducing the gain. So with that, the sound will tend to drop. Okay, so let's reduce it to, it is recommended that you keep the setting in like 1 to 20%, something like that. So what's recommended for Yeti is that you talk to the front, you talk here and not on top of it, right? You should talk here. And even this noise suppression that we see at the moment. See, if I'm typing, you might get some little sound, right? But if I switch it off, you will see the difference in the sound. So it does a great job in suppressing the sound in that ways, right? So let's get it back on and let's see the other features. So on this side over here, we have the volume. Again, this volume will help you to uh, control the volume, the sound volume that you'll be hearing, right, for this microphone. And the interesting part that I wanted to talk, okay, before that there is a mute, so you won't be able to hear me if this is blinking. That means the mute is on, right? And let's talk about the different modes that we have over here, right? So starting from the stereo mode, which is over here, the leftmost one, the stereo mode. So what it does is it uses both the left and the right channel. So if I move left or if I move to the right, and it captures a very wide range of sounds, and it is perfect for recording through guitar or violin. So you can see that I'm moving my mouth around. And the next mode that we have over here is a normal circle mode. It's called omnidirectional mic. This picks up sound all around the mic. Basically it will cover the whole mic over here. It's good for recording a band performance or recording your ambient noise, ambient sounds or things like that. It's a very good one for that, right? And as I talk in this video, I'll be moving my head in direction so that you understand how it is changing from different direction of the mic. Then we have the cardioid mode, the one with the heart sign over here, as you see. So this one is meant for your vocal performance, podcast, voiceover. So it will just pick up the sound straight from my face. So if I'm going and picking from here, you might still get some sound, but it will be very bare minimum sound that you'll be getting. It will not be equally distributed. Even if I turn it and talk to the back of the mic, you might not get a good clarity of the sound, right? Though I have my gain increased, so you will still get some sound, but it will vary what it will receive in the front and what it will receive at the back, right? And then the last one, the one that looks like a 8 over here, the last one. So this is meant for your front and back, these two sides. It's good for interviews or things like that where you're having a conversation with somebody. So it will try to eliminate all the noise coming from this side or this side of the mic. This should be changing with the direction of the mic. So if I put the gain down to say 0, if I so I have put the gain down to 0 and I'm talking from the side, so you might not get a very loud and clear sound compared to what you are getting now. So again, if I go on this side, it won't be that high, right? And even same for the back. So if I'm talking to the back side also, you will get a good clarity of sound because it's bi-directional. So both the direction it will take care, right? So these are the modes over here. So from the back side, if you also notice that it will pick up the sound, it will have a good quality sound compared to when I go to the side of the mic, it won't be that great. Or to this side of the mic, it won't be that great because it's kind of eliminating all the noises coming from the sides, right? So yeah, that is mostly all the setup that is present over here. So I generally, since I do a programming or tutorial kind of video, so what I basically tend to do is use the cardioid mode that is highly recommended with a certain amount of gain. So this is the configuration that I mostly use for my recording stuff, and which gives me quite a good result. And with the noise suppression on in your OBS studio, it delivers a great job. It does not attract any background noise or sound, any honking sound outside the apartment, or the noise of the fan, or any typing sound. I saw that they are mostly eliminated, and which is a very nice thing for this mic. So I'm still discovering this mic. I felt that this is really a value for money. Though as I mentioned in the video, this is a two-part video, the review I'm doing after a few days of using it. I ordered the pop filter and have returned it back. I felt that pop filter isn't something that's required for me at this point of time. This tend to do the job for me without the filter also, and I get a pretty good result, right? Compared to the previous mic that I was using, this one is far better and delivering some real nice sound. So yeah, that's all from this video. Do let me know what do you think about this mic, though this is a very highly recommended mic in all the forums. And I think they're right that it makes sense, complete sense. This mic is a real genius. So I highly recommend it, and I will definitely post the link in the description for this mic. And I still see that it's available for 10,999 in Amazon. So if you plan to buy, don't wait for the price to go up. You can buy it now and make the best use of it. So yeah, that's all from this video. So do like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, and stay safe.